Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome back. Markets gapping up, crypto back or Bitcoin back above 40,000. Markets bounce, crypto bounce kind of across the board. Remember Wednesday when everyone else, thought it was the end of the world. I came on pre-market prep and I was like, hey, you guys remember the line from Pulp Fiction? When in the diner and, Vincent Vega, right? Yeah. Is like, or no, Samuel Jackson's character. Anyway, he's like, let's all just be like Fonzie. Now this dates me. Probably like 2/3 of you are like, who's Fonzie? Anyway, let's all be like Fonzie. Let's all be cool, relax, dial back your risk, maybe not trade. That was Wednesday. Everyone else was, it's the end of the world. I just said, let's be like a bunch of Fonzies and let's relax. Here we are, S&P 500, couple points from all-time highs, crypto bounce, etc. Don't fall for it. Speaking of crypto, and I keep forgetting to bring this up. Hopefully Nicole has the link. So a lot of you ask about crypto. I've given my viewpoints on the long-term hold on Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin, Ethereum should be in your long-term portfolio. All the, excuse my language, I always keep it PG here, but all the shit coins, the altcoins, I think should be day traded only. That being said, my buddy Matt Monaco and Kyle have a course on trading crypto, teaching you how to do that. So hopefully Nicole will drop that link in all the chats. If you're looking to get, some education on how to specifically day trade crypto, again, you guys know Matt's my brother from another mother, and Kyle's awesome too. So anyway, check out that course. Last thing, and then we'll get started. Remember the weekend watch list. I always remind you on Friday, just because it goes out on Sunday. It's free. So stockstotrade.com/watchlist. 100% free. Drop your email. Check it out. Swing ideas for me are all the same. The last few days, Peloton. I know you're sick of me talking about it, but Peloton, green again. That PLTR, we talked about that. On the, I drew some lines for you the other day on PLTR, Palantir. HYRE is that earnings winner that's also in the EV space. And then, speaking of space, SPCE is getting ready to do the move from yesterday. So, if you were here yesterday, if you weren't, why weren't you here yesterday? Or, if you were busy, you could have simply watched the replay that's posted everywhere. But I'm watching the same levels on space as yesterday. So space never broke that level, from the whiteboard. It just faded right out of the gate. But we're looking at that same level up there in that 2150 area. And then you'd probably, kind of standard swing trade stuff. You'd be looking at that 2150 break, risking today's VWAP. Kind of a very similar approach I took to Peloton. And, I've joked this Peloton, I may die before this Peloton swing trade hits the goal, but it stayed green through all the chaos. We're still alive. We still live to fight another day. All right. There's all my boring old man ideas. Penny Stock Chris says laser, 62 million float, high short, spiked into Thursday. Tesla. Oh yeah. This had some Tesla rumors. Thank you, Penny Stock Chris. Terrible chart, but I do like the Tesla rumors. So week open red to green, and then probably risk down on VWAP. So high priced, red to green, laser, some Tesla news. Week open red to green for confirmation. And JS about METX. 40 million flow. Oh, is this another one? This is one of those China yeah. So these China education plays have ran several times. So if you remember, the China e-education plays have ran. So you got a former runner, you got a piece of junk stock, you got some news, 19,000% increase, or 1,900%. Okay, so here we go. Straight, this is what I would call this a quote unquote, well, other than the float, other than float, this is about as textbook dip and rip as you get. And for everyone that's new, what is the dip and rip designed for? It's designed for sketchy Chinese stocks with BS news that spike in pre-market. I mean, it is designed and with a history of failing. Okay, so METX. Let me hit the whiteboard. It's pretty standard stuff. I'd say probably like that 175 area. You're hoping for that weak open. Whoops, what did I do? We're hoping it gets a chat pump. The chat pumps have been quiet lately. Anyway, so we're hoping it opens weak after the chat pump. Sucks in short sellers. Lure short bait. And then breaks the high of the day 9:45 or later. And this is just this is quick in and out. This is not an all-day hold. Be careful. If it does this move, it's a very solid Friday dip and rip on a sketchy Chinese stock. But, nail and bail, as they say. METX dip and rip. Textbook, other than a little higher float than we like. ONTX, come on! ONTX is deader than dead, isn't it? What's something? Did they do a reverse split? I guess I gotta revisit ONT. I don't know. I'm confused. Either I got bad data or they did a reverse split. I'm gonna move on. I gotta revisit. So I just don't. Something's up. Either I got bad quotes, or it's a reverse split. I will revisit later. ENVB low floater. $19 million float, 2 million shares traded. Quote unquote earnings winner. Why did this run last night? VWAP hold, I would say, into the afternoon. Friday afternoon VWAP hold. Any new news? New news. I just see a delayed earnings winner. UONE. Man, why did it take 10 minutes for somebody to ask about UONE? Come on! I mean, you had a low float stock that went from 6 to 12 last night, and it took 10 minutes for someone to bring up UONE. So love this. So a lot of these banks were hot yesterday. So we got low float, former runner, sector hot for now. I mean, so this sector has popped up several times over the last year. Kind of short-lived hot sector, but love that this is gapping down. Ideally, this thing craters at the open and then goes red to green for a Friday squeeze. So UONE very top of my list for a sketchy Friday afternoon short squeeze type. So, all right. I am going to run a little early. Many of you may know about the 6-month-long home office / podcast, / live streaming studio remodel that is taking. I think my home office will be remodeled the same time Peloton hits 105. So, like another 6 months from now. So anyway, I got to check in with the contractors. Have a great weekend, everyone. Again, check out Kyle and Matt's cryptocurrency course. Get on the watch list. Goes out Sunday. As always, have a great weekend. And next time, everyone's telling you stock market's crashing, the world is ending. Come check out Pre-Market Prep. And hopefully I can give you a little dose of reality from my 15 years of staring at markets every day. So, all right, have a great weekend, everyone. We'll see you Monday. Down, 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 down.